Welcome and welcome back to another video with Legit Colleen. So today I'll be showing you how to get free 6 months of Apple Music. So this is a Best Buy link, so I just sent it to myself. And it's going to take you to a website and it says free. So add to cart. Once you go to the cart, you want to go to cart again. Now you want to check out. So I have an account, so I'm just going to log in real quick. So once I logged into my account, it says all my account details or whatever. So that's why I'm not showing that. I'm going to place my order. And it has been sent to my email. So now just wait up to like 2 minutes and you should get an email with the free subscription. Okay, so it finally came. It took like 4 minutes, so I'd say wait 5 minutes at most for it to come in your email. So it says the code expires on February 6th, 2022, and it's for new subscribers only. So if you had the subscription, you basically can't use it again. But I've had the subscription before, but I want to see if this works to make sure. So I'm going to redeem it. Wait. Copy the code before and then paste it. Hit my Apple ID password and click sign in. It says you're getting Apple Music individual subscription for free until June 12, 2021. Right there it says I won't be billed until June 12th. And that's actually 3 months, but we're gonna check the settings to make sure that it's 6 months. So I'm gonna click my profile up here, manage subscription, and it still says June 12th here, so it might be 3 months, probably because I've used the free trial already. So you're gonna get either 3 months or 6 months from this link. So just to show that this actually does work, I can go to the end of the song without any problem. But that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed listening to your music. I don't even use Apple Music, which is why this kind of useless for me, but I'm going to use it now. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button for videos every week. And comment any video ideas or what other free things you want, and I'll try and do a video on it. Love you all. Bye.